Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade the thrusters in your Avenger. First, ensure you own both an Avenger and a facility. Once ready, open your interaction menu and request your Avenger to be delivered. It will spawn close by. Approach the aircraft and enter through the large rear ramp to access its spacious interior. This is your first step towards enhancing its performance. After entering your Avenger, proceed towards the rear section. You will find the dedicated vehicle workshop bay there. This area allows for extensive modifications. Simply drive your personal vehicle, such as a car or a motorcycle, directly into this designated bay. The workshop interface will then automatically activate, preparing you for the next steps in customization. With the workshop interface active, navigate through the available upgrade categories. Locate and select the thrusters option. Here, you will find several performance enhancements, including improved acceleration and top speed, along with potential cosmetic changes. Review your choices carefully, then confirm your selections to purchase and apply these powerful upgrades to your Avenger's propulsion system. Once your thruster upgrades are complete, exit the Avenger and take it for a test flight. You will immediately notice a significant improvement in its speed, acceleration, and overall handling capabilities. Feel the enhanced power as you soar through the skies. Remember, you can always return to the workshop to further customize other components and truly make your Avenger unique.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.